The Barefoot Investor by Scott Pape, the only money guide you'll ever need. Number 1. Monthly date nights. If you are in a relationship, you need to talk about money with your partner. Set up dates with your partner to discuss finances once a month and make it more enjoyable by reviewing everything with a glass of wine or some great food. Everyone needs to be aware of their financial situation, and this includes both parties in the relationship. Have a chat, discuss your life goals and plans and where you could save money. Review your pensions and investments, check insurances, etc. Set up systems, track progress and stay accountable. Scott also suggests that this is a good point to save $2,000 for emergencies. Step 2. Set up your Barefoot buckets. Scott recommends using the bucket spending system, which is similar to the envelope system often talked about by personal finance experts. Tell your money where it is going and automate this process as much as possible. Always remember, you need to control your money or it will control you. Number 3. Domino your debts. Get a pair of scissors and cut up those credit cards. Calculate your debts and then call up your debt issuer and tell them you want no interest on your debts for 18 months. There's probably no way they'll actually do this, but there is a good chance that they will cut your interest rates at the very least. Line up those debts from smallest to biggest and start paying them down like your life depends on it, starting with the smallest debt and gradually building the momentum as you progress towards becoming debt-free. Number 4. Buy your home. Buying your own home is still achievable despite what you might see in the media. Avoid these common mistakes. Number 1. Waiting for a housing market crash. Number 2. Buying a home you can't afford. Number 3. Buying an investment property first. Number 4. Renting rather than buying and forgetting to save. And finally, not considering other options. For example, moving into an apartment in the city or moving to the countryside. Save for a house deposit and borrow less than the bank will lend you and get on that property ladder. Step 5. Supercharge your wealth. Supercharge your retirement savings by increasing it to at least 15% per year and then watch as compound interest works its magic. Start investing outside of retirement accounts in growth assets like shares and/or property to secure your financial future. The easiest way to do this is via investing in a low-cost broad-based index fund. Make sure you do plenty of further research and educate yourself before jumping in to buy an investment property. Step 6. Boost your mojo in 3 months. Boost your emergency fund to cover 3 months of your expenses. Step 7. Get the banker off your back. Go against the status quo and start tackling that mortgage debt in order to save yourself thousands of dollars by both lowering your interest rates and making overpayments. Pay off your mortgage faster by following these rules. Number 1. Don't get any of the extras. Number 2. Don't fix your rate. Number 3. Get a cheaper rate. Number 4. Make extra payments. Step 8. Nail your retirement number. Work out how much you need in your retirement nest egg in order to live the life you want to. When you retire, keep yourself active by working at least 1 day per week. And finally, step 9. Leave a legacy. If you've followed all of the steps right until this one, you are on the road to securing your financial freedom. But how will you be remembered though? Put on your own oxygen mask before helping others. But once your finances are sorted, you can start to consider the difference you could make in other people's lives now that you are in a financially stable position. At the end of the day, you want to leave the world knowing that it's better because you were in it. Consider giving away some money and time to those less fortunate. You could even make microloans to some of the world's poorest entrepreneurs. Think about what you stand for and how you can pay something back to the community. So there we have it, the 9 steps to transforming your financial life and becoming a barefoot investor.